Today I will show how to work this lock. It is without key lock. You can lock without key and open and lock and unlock anything you can by this number and show the animation. Just watch it. Now I will assemble step by step. Go to new and choose assembly and choose OK. Now select this all file. Just I select all file this and just open and click this file, this again, this and this and this. Okay, now this is the main part. Just right click and go to assembly and click fin. Just go to this icon, choose this view origin and click and choose this. It is. Now go to mat, select this point and select this point, choose coincident, just select OK. Now just drag this, just show, drag this. Just right click, click OK, just right click and click this plot and just plot it and just fix it and just hide this. Now just move it and just go to this rotate component, just rotate it, rotate this, go to this mat, choose this standard mat, choose this hole and choose this and just coincident, just click OK. Now just drag it, again select this hole and select this, just OK. Now just fin, just select this hole and select this and just select OK. Now just just drag it and just select the space and select this space. Make sure it is coincident, just select OK. Now see, just it will be in this position and just move it. Yes, it will be like this. Okay, just go to this, click this, go to this mats and choose this and choose edit feature and choose this lock rotate and just select OK. Now just move it. Now just select OK, go to this move component, choose rotate component, just rotate it. OK, just again rotate it here. Now go to this mat, choose this mechanical mat, choose this slot, select this slot and select this and just select OK. Just see it. Now again go to this standard mat, select this space and select this space and choose coincident, just select OK. Now see, it will up and down. Okay, again go to this insert component, choose this cam. OK, just select this and go to mat, select this and select this and just select OK. Now again select this space and select this space. Go to distance 2 mm distance, just select OK. I will use 2 mm washer on this. Again go to insert, choose this cam 1, choose open, select this, again select this hole, go to this mat and select this standard mat and just select this and choose OK. Now just drag it, select this space and select this space. There we will use 2 mm washer and just select OK. Now you can move it this or move this. Okay, yeah. Now you can connect this. Just little drag it. Now select this hole, select this space and select this space. Just see, make distance 18 mm. It's enough. Okay, it will off this. Okay, when you rotate this cam in this position, then we will up and we will up this point and this point. Okay, and drag this and move it. Go to move component, rotate component, just rotate this. Yes, again rotate this. Now go to mat, select this and select this, just select OK. Now just drag it and select this space and select this space, just select OK. Just move it. Now select this and select this. Sorry, just cancel it. Again go to insert component, choose this cam 3 and just open. Just select this. Now go to mat, select this hole and select this, just select OK. Now select this space and select this space and just select OK. Now see, now again select this and select this hole, just see and just select OK. Now select this and select this and just select OK. Now drag it. Now select this space and select this space and just select OK. Now this assembly is complete. Now see, it will move it. Okay, just delete this, delete this. Okay, now our assembly is complete. Yeah, now see,